Sundowns ensured that their dominance over Kaizer Chiefs continued unabated as they walloped them by 4-0 in front of a sold-out FNB.
Yabona namhlanje Sundowns abadlali kade bekhala ngaba abalandeli ukuthi kanti abadlaliswa ngano Mkwena abadlaliswa ngano Khuliso Mtawu wathi sibone manje ka uripera bambeka phansi wayithamba mletheni uNopempe Reynase umile nje uthule uyasondela manje Reynase wayibeka phakathi yaphabuzi nethi penalty ye Sundowns abalandeli banethuba lokuthi bavotele iman of the match nakhona udayala nje inamba efanayo *120*660# kodwa mangabe sebenza nje abasayibona kanjani iplay of the match abalandeli nayi Sundowns eboxini lapha yaphabuzi nethi uReynase futhi esinse center manje bathusi nakelishiya manje ngakwesokunxele ke noOpri Modiba oOpri ke nangedlulisa nanke manje ke ibhola lika Modiba nangafaka eboxini lapha yaphabuzi nethi Peter Shalulile naba abantu beshanendlu nanke manje encenga ethola uReynase manje uthola uModiba labuyela ke kuReynase nange manje uRibero Costa asibone manje kawushalulile babamba lizophuma ikhadi unekhadi red card abathu sokuvasi awuphezu kwebhola ke layo la iSundowns nangenikeza oayenje ubona uMkwena ukhutha ngakwesokudla uMdawu bayamnikeza uMdawu nange manje ke uMdawu uyakufuna leli bhola uMkwena nanguRibero Costa nalibhola belifaka eboxini lapha yaphabuzi nethi Khuliso Mtawu elihle futhi igoli leSundowns
i-sudden death ke ngoku Francis ojamela unozinto Otieno wathi uyanibona na ku-4-4 amanqaku ebhodini akabuyanga mva kakhulu Francis uyile yo wachitha izindlu zentaka phezulu emafini uFrancis.
Here we go, this to win it. Mthembu, he does win it, and Richards Bay are through to the semi-finals. They took a circuitous route.
Gallants served up a 5-goal thriller against Polokwane. Yeah, they are pushing forward here. Early ball, it isn't a bad ball. Oh, it's a lovely header. Beautifully guided header by Shai for his second over the year campaign. And it's Gallants.
Fak'Ugesi FC's excellent run of form in the Carling knockout continued yesterday as they reached the semi-finals, beating TS Galaxy by 1-0 at the Mbombela Stadium. Abafana bakaBrajoni noClinton Lawson bazenzela udumo olihlohonolo Mukone eshaya phakathi igoli elodwa nje kulomdlalo kwesiputuputu ebesikhona phakathi eboxini edlalile noEdmo. Hayi, iMagesi ifaka ugesi.